Alright, welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to check to see if your alternator is charging the battery. So in case you notice your battery light stays on in your dash, I'm going to show you a simple way how to check to see if your alternator is charging. But first, what I want you all to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So what you're going to do first, you're going to slap my battery terminal. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start the car first. I'm going to remove the negative terminal and I'm going to use a multimeter to test to see if it's charging. I know it's charging, but I'm just showing you guys how to check it in case you notice your battery light stays on or the car not charging properly. So I'm going to show you how to check it. But first I'm going to start the car. So guys, welcome back. So the car now running. I start the car, so it's now running, so I'm going to remove the negative terminal, which is this black one right here. So I'm using a 10mm socket to remove the terminal. So this is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. So I'm using a 10mm socket to remove the terminal. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the positive cap. I'm gonna turn on a multimeter. I'm gonna select it at 20 volts. Usually I use 200, but I'm going to use 20. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my tester lead in the positive terminal, and then I'm going to remove the negative, which is the black one. And the car should be still running if your alternator is charging properly. So now I'm going to check it. So as you can see now, I'm getting 14 points. Hold on. It's a bit fluctuating, but I'm getting 14.47, I guess. So that is how to show that your car is charging properly. So I'm going to adjust it to the 200 range. And I'm going to test it again. So now I'm getting 14.4. That's to show that your alternator is working properly. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.